Encircle the Earth in Razor Wire by the Mutilator is 19 tracks, released by Martinet Press, and listed as Temple of Blood, Synth Noise. And my comments, one per track, are as follows. First, I am reminded about All the Things She Said by Tattoo, My Song by Jerry Cantrell, and the stuff someone I knew started listening to after being date raped. Then we have the suspense sequence of one of those post-bombing movies where the military takes over. If we keep active, a voice beyond the activity will come through. Something serious remains. Want doesn't mean it is done, and to survive can be a joyous victory. Untold masses want others to go down with them. Modern technology changes the method. Be ready to become something else. The fatal battle approaches. The odd feelings wash through, and we don't know what to think. We never know how much we can endure. Self-interest doesn't have to benefit other than the individual. Some things must be done. Attachment to this world is as a constant reason for alarm. There is subtle damage that becomes overwhelming. Something alien is constantly communicating, but we are unable to translate. Or are we? The old self is etched away until the final transformation is made. Then that change is spread externally. Finally, the voice of hell and its cycling eternity is all to hear. And I'm also reminded of some other artists. I think that the person who made this must have spent more than their fair share with some new metal. They must have spent even more time with industrial metal like Nine Inch Nails. There's some indication of the black noise or black metal genre. And I see tracks similar to some of the stuff used in some of the Martinet Press related videos.